Hello guys, today we will draw a car. Let's start. This car is going to be very colorful. Two kids will be sitting in the car. Now we draw a boy who will drive the car. And now we draw a girl sitting on the back seat. Look, they are watching out from the car. They are going to visit the zoo, where they will enjoy a lot. Look, they are happy. Now we are drawing wheels of the car. Let's coloring. Orange, beige, red, green, pink, wow, wheels are moving. Car will also move. Soon they will reach at the zoo. Look, they are going to the zoo. If you like this video, please subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.